Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Caleb with SurvivalJunk.com, and today we're going to check out the Zukka bicycle helmet. Haven't done a video in a little bit. Things have been a little crazy with the whole virus situation, but my friends over at Zukka were kind enough to supply me this bicycle helmet, and me and my ever faithful buddy Lynx that are going to help review it. So, I actually haven't had a bicycle helmet in years, but you know, the way things are, it's probably a good idea to be wearing one. And what struck me the most about the Zukka bicycle helmet is how freaking lightweight this thing is. Excuse her. You know, this this helmet barely weighs anything. It's super light. I was wicked surprised to feel how light it was when I first picked it up. And honestly, when you're wearing it, you barely even feel like you've got anything on your head. It's that light. It's a foam frame, just like most bicycle helmets. But what's interesting is the plastic shell. It almost seems like it's melded on to the foam. So it's got that hard outside foam plastic shell, but it's not really thick plastic that feels really heavy. But it's super durable. You know, I haven't hit this thing with a sledgehammer or anything, and I didn't purposely fall off my bicycle earlier when riding it, but it felt really great while I was riding with it. So it comes with this visor. The visor does not come installed on the helmet. It's very simple. Just use a flathead screwdriver, screw it in there. There's a little peg that goes in the center, and screw on the other side. Very simple to install. And then obviously, if you're not feeling it, you can remove that as well if you're not into the visor thing. Pretty comfortable to wear. It's got some padding and a little bit of mesh up here. Had pretty good airflow while I was riding today. And the back side here is where you adjust for the size of your head. So it's just a simple screw. So you can tighten it that way or loosen it the other way. And very simple. It's got a nice padded chin strap, which is also adjustable. And overall, guys, I just thought it was a really nicely made little bicycle helmet. It's affordable. You know, especially now, the way things are during this pandemic, and hospitals are kind of closed off for everything other than big emergencies. You know, if you can avoid going to a hospital in the first place, probably a good idea. And you know, it's always good to wear a bicycle helmet when you're out biking, just for added safety. But yeah, guys, so you can check out the Zukka bicycle helmet down below. I will leave some links to it. They make all sorts of bicycle products. They do bicycle locks and some other stuff. And the gal that sent this to me, they also have some other interesting companies that they do products with. So give it a check out, guys. Again, that's Zukka, and you can find links down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great evening.